ISKCON banned Bangladesh because ISKCON is big scam for medicine. In Bangladesh, ISKCON said two more monks arrested in Bangladesh had gone to give medicines to Chinamoy Das. We strongly protest such arrests and appeal to the Bangladesh government to give protection to minorities, claimed Radhaman Das, the vice president and spokesperson of ISKCON. Sri Adipurush Shyam Das and devotee Rangnath Das Brahmachari Prabhu were the two monks to be arrested. Days after, Hindu monk Chinmoy Krishnadas was arrested and charged with sedition in Bangladesh. The International Society for Krishna Consciousness ISKCON Kolkata said that two monks were also arrested on Friday. While there was no official confirmation from Dhaka, the Bangladesh Samito Sanatani Jagran Jot, of which Chinmoy Das was a leader, also said in a statement that two more monks had been arrested. We have got information that two monks were arrested by Bangladesh police of one of on Friday. They had gone to jail to give medicines to Chinmoy Das Krishna. When they were returning, the police arrested them. We strongly protest against such arrests and appeal to the Bangladesh government to give protection to minorities. Radha Krishna Das, Vice President and spokesperson of ISKCON Kolkata. Those arrested are Sri Adipurush Shyamdas and devotee Rangnath Das Brahmachari Prabhu. He said, sharing a photograph of Shyam Das, who is Chinmoy's assistant, in a post, who is on X Ranganathan. Radhakrishnam said, does it look like the arrest, like a terrorist? Three ISKCON monks. Bangladesh, the arrest of innocent ISKCON Brahmachari are deeply shocking and disturbing. He also posted a purported video clip of an attack on the ISKCON centers. Another ISKCON center in Bhairav, Bangladesh has been vandalized. No respite inside, say Bangladesh Hindus. He posted in another post on X, Radharaman said ISKCON devotee would gather in over 150 countries on the Sunday to pray and chant for safety and security of Bangladesh minorities. While ISKCON has clarified that Chinmoy does not represent them in Bangladesh. It emphasized in a statement earlier this week that if supporters his rights and freedom for peacefully calling for protecting Hindus and their places of worships. According to ISKCON officials, Chinmoy was expelled in September this year. The Bangladesh Samilito Sanatani Jagran Jot, of which Chinmoy was a leader, also issued a statement on Saturday highlighting the fresh arrests and alleged atrocities on minorities. Monks who went to give medicines to Chinmay Krishnadas were arrested by police. Other Hindus are also being arrested by police. Where is human rights? Where is the protection for minorities? Said the statement in Bengali, adding that place of worship, including ISKCON center in Bangladesh, were being attacked. On Friday, Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson Randhir Jaiswal said that India has conveyed its concern over the attacks in Bangladesh and pressed for a fair and transparent trial for Chinmoy. Our position on the matter is clear. The interim government must live up to its responsibility for protecting all minorities. We are concerned at the surge of extremist rhetoric, increasing incidents of violence, and proclaims this development cannot be dismissed only as media exaggerations. ISKCON is a globally well regarded organization with strong recorded organization with a strong record of social service. We once again call upon Bangladesh, he said at a media briefing. According to local media reports in Bangladesh, Chinmay, who has been leading rallies demanding security for Hindus, was requested and was arrested from Dhaka's main airport on November 25 while traveling to Chattargram in charges of sedition filed in October after he led a rally in Chattargram in which he was accused of, of disrespect Bangladesh national flag. A case was filed against Chinmay and 18 others on October 30 at Chattargram's Kotwali police station based on the complaint of a leader of former Prime Minister Khaled Khaleda Zia's Bangladeshi nationalist party BNP, which accused them of disrespecting the national flag in the city's Lal Dighi Maidan during a rally of the Hindu community on October 25. A Bangladesh court denied bail to Chinmoy, triggering violent protest in which assistant government prosecutor Saiful Islam Alif was killed in Chatargaon on Thursday. The Bangladesh High Court rejected a petition seeking a ban on ISKCON activities. This story is very real. In Bangladesh, ISKCON is banned Bangladesh because Bangladesh national flag to disrespecting by the ISKCONs.